Imagine if you had started investing when you were a teenager. Where would you be today? Financially independent, retired early, owning your dream house? Well, today's video is all about making that a reality for you. Welcome to InvestoSphere, where we simplify personal finance and investment strategies to help you make smarter money moves. If you're a teenager or a parent looking to help your teens start investing, this video is for you. We'll cover everything from the basics of investing, choosing the right stocks, setting up your first investment account, and avoiding beginner mistakes. So, make sure to watch till the end because I have a special bonus tip for you. Before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss a valuable video. Now, let's dive in. Section 1. Why start investing early? Most people wish they had started investing earlier in life. The reason? The power of compound interest. Albert Einstein once called compound interest the eighth wonder of the world. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Let's look at a simple example. If you invest just $50 a month from age 15 and earn an average return of 10% per year by the time you're 50, you could have over $300,000. Compare that to someone who starts at 30. They'd have significantly less, even if they invested more each month. Question for you. What would you do with an extra $300,000? Travel the world? Start a business? Let me know in the comments. Section 2. Understanding the stock market. Okay, so you're convinced that investing young is smart. But what exactly is the stock market? Think of it as a giant marketplace where people buy and sell ownership in companies. When you buy a stock, you're essentially owning a piece of that company. If the company grows and makes a profit, your investment grows. But remember, stocks can go up and down in value, so it's important to invest wisely. Question for you. If you could own shares in any company today, which one would you pick and why? Comment below. Section 3. How to start investing as a teenager. Now, let's talk about how you can actually start investing. Since you're under 18, you'll need a custodial account, which is an investment account managed by a parent or guardian. Popular platforms like Fidelity, Vanguard, and Charles Schwab offer these accounts. Once you turn 18, control transfers to you. Another great option is investing through apps like Acorns or M1 Finance, which allow micro-investing with small amounts. Question for you. Have you ever heard of custodial accounts before? Or are you already using an investing app? Let me know in the comments. Section 4. Choosing the right investment. With so many investment options, where should you start? The best strategy for beginners is index funds and ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These funds spread your money across many stocks, reducing risk. A great example is the S&P 500 ETF, which includes the top 500 companies in the U.S. Individual stocks are another option, but they require more research. Look for companies with strong growth potential, low debt, and a history of profitability. Question for you. Would you rather invest in a single company you believe in or spread your investment across multiple companies? Let's discuss in the comments. Section 5. Avoiding common investing mistakes. Even seasoned investors make mistakes, but as a beginner, avoiding these can save you thousands. Here are some of the biggest mistakes new investors make. Investing without research. Panic selling when the market drops. Putting all money into one stock. Trying to time the market. The best strategy? Think long-term, stay consistent, and don't let emotions dictate your decisions. Question for you. What's the biggest mistake you think new investors make? Drop your answer in the comments. All right, we covered a lot today, from why you should start investing early, understanding the stock market, setting up an account, choosing investments, and avoiding common mistakes. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our next video. Also, I have a free bonus checklist that will guide you step by step on your first investment. Grab it from the link in the description below. And don't forget to comment your biggest takeaway from today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.